All right, number 5, we want to find 3 more terms for the following sequence. And so these are decimals. I want to kind of see what's going on here, or what they are as fractions. These I'm kind of familiar with. These are some common fractions. If you're not, you might want to use technology to help you see what's going on. So the first term is 0, and I'll show you these in the calculator. The second term is 1/2, is 0.5. The third term is 0.66 repeating. That is represented as 2/3. And then the next term is 0.75, which is 3/4. Okay, these are some common fractions that pop up all the time. So how could we use technology to see that? And I'm probably going to want to put 0 as a fraction because I see they're all, so 0 over something, and we'll figure that out. Anything that you put under 0 will be 0, but you cannot put 0 on the bottom except for 0. So turn this on. If we type in, let's just say the first decimal or the second one, 0.5, and then we do math and enter twice, we see that it will convert that to a fraction. When you have a repeating number, you have to type it all the way across the screen. So if I just typed a few 6's and then do math, enter, it's not going to convert it to a fraction for me. So repeating, the calculator doesn't understand repeating unless you do it all the way across the screen. When that cursor goes to the next line, then you can do math, enter, and it will convert it to a fraction. So it looks like we're adding 1 all the way across, and the same thing on the bottom. So I'm going to assume this has to be 0 divided by 1. Okay, and if we continue to go, this will be 4 over 5, 5 over 6, 6 over 7, and so on. The pattern will continue like that. So now that we have the pattern, we can figure out the next term. Okay, so we're 4, 5, 6 on top. So let's make sure that this is 6 divided by 7, and then we'll go from there. So 6 divided by 7, we get the 0.85. Let me go back 1 and say 5 divided by 6. Maybe we miscounted just to make sure. Yes, that's 0.833. So 6 divided by 7, we get this 0.8571, and it looks like all of these start out 0.8571. 0.8571, 0.8571. Okay, so we keep going. 0.8571, 428, 428, and then we start again. 8571. Okay, so we are repeating 857142. 857142. 857142. So D. This is the one that's showing all those repeated figures. And then next we would have 7 over 8. So we're going to do 7 divided by 8. And that just gives us 0.875. It's a terminating decimal. Doesn't repeat. So we want A. And then next we would have 8 over 9. So the ones we're doing, 7 over 8 and 8 over 9. So 8 over 9 is one that was expressed in the book. This would just be repeating 8. 8 repeating. Because we have 1 9 on the bottom, 1 digit on top. So just a repeating 8. Okay. And just to verify, we'll show 8 divided by 9. And we get repeating 8s, and it just rounds the last digit up to 9. So you want to say repeating 8.